Here are 3 of my early observations about the Clubhouse app and why I think it's going to change the way we use social media. The first one, it's not as noisy as most other social media apps. I'm sure you can relate logging onto Facebook or Instagram or Twitter and feeling like people are yelling at you. With Clubhouse, it doesn't feel that way. In fact, you can move through the feed, also known as the hallway, and only join rooms that you feel are appropriate. I believe both in real life and online, listening is important. I spend a lot of time scrolling my feed, listening to what people are saying, listening to what they're talking about. Social media is a telephone and not a megaphone, and Clubhouse plays very nicely to this. The second thing, audio is the only answer. Audio is the future, right? I truly believe that. And one thing that I'm sure you can also relate to is reading an email or a text message or a Facebook out of context. With Clubhouse, it's audio only. There's no messaging, there's no video chat, and you can simply listen to people converse. And it's very easy to understand people's tone and what they're trying to get across in their messaging with audio only platforms. The third point, it's community driven at its core. And for me and what I do here at Revox Social, community is best served in social media. With Clubhouse, it's all about community, right? You can be invited to different communities to have discussions in different rooms. And the great thing about these rooms is there's a lot of leaders and like-minded individuals, so it's a natural fit to form community. These are just 3 observations and reasons to be optimistic that the new Clubhouse app is going to change the way we use social media.